Hello everyone, I am Shruti Dikshit of EC department from SIRT College, Bhopal. We are going to discuss the experiment of electronic circuits. Aim of our experiment is to analyze the working of operational amplifier as summing amplifier. We are going to perform this experiment of operational amplifier in multisim software. Objective of this experiment is to understand the concept of closed loop and open loop configuration, know about inverting and non-inverting amplifier, and basic concept of summing amplifier. Closed loop configuration means we are giving the feedback, means to give some portion of output to input. Open loop configuration means without feedback. Summing amplifier is closed loop configuration of operational amplifier. Inverting amplifier to give input to inverting terminals means negative terminal of operational amplifier, and non-inverting amplifier means to give input to non-inverting terminal means positive terminal of operational amplifier. Here we are discussing closed loop inverting configuration. Feedback resistor. Here this is the main circuit diagram of summing amplifier. Summing amplifier means it adds the input voltages and gives at the output across the load resistor. Okay, we can take the load resistor and we can measure this output voltage in the multimeter. As shown in the circuit diagram, this is the circuit of summing amplifier. This is the important application of operational amplifier. This is the 7 IC operational amplifier 741 IC having two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. As we can see, the positive terminal is connected to ground terminal, and here to this negative terminal means inverting terminal we are giving two input voltages, 2 volts and 1 volt through the resistors having the same value 3 kilo ohms, and the feedback resistor is connected between input terminal means negative terminal, inverting terminal and the output terminal. Here multimeter is used to measure the output voltage. It gives the sum of these input voltages. Here this circuit diagram can be drawn simply by using these different components. As we can see in this multisim software, see, if I want to place the power source, means I want to place this ground terminal. Okay, so I have to just click that particular component and click OK and place in this window. Okay, simply in this way we have to put all the components in this window. For example, if I want this operational amplifier rated, then I have to go to this basic. In the basic 3D terminal, okay, rated virtual, these are the different components are available in the rated virtual. Here in the rated virtual, operational rated is there, and we have to click OK. So just we have to put in this window. Okay, in this way I have placed all the components first in this window. If I want to change the value of that particular resistor, I have to double click this and change the value of that particular component. And simply the connection is simply we have to connect in this way. Okay, so in this way we can connect all the components, and at the output Here multimeter is used to measure the output voltage. Okay, this is the I have changed the value of VCC plus VCC. This is the 15 volts and minus VE, which is minus 15 volt. As we can see in this diagram, this terminal is connected to the means non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground terminal, and to this inverting terminal two input voltages are given having values 2 volts and 1 volt. Here I have taken the case of all the resistances of having the same value. If I want to measure the output voltage, okay, I can change the values of these input voltages in this way. Okay, this is the closed loop configuration and inverting amplifier. That's why the formula of output voltage is V0 is equals to minus RF upon R1 V1 plus V2. Here all the resistances value are same, that's why that will be cancelled out, and just we will get the negative sum of this both voltages. If I can see here, I have to get minus 3 volts. 2 plus 1 volts means minus 3 volts. Okay, first I have to run this circuit from this run. Okay, here the red symbol shows that the circuit is in the under simulation, and if I will click this multimeter, here the minus 3 volt is displayed. Okay, if I want to change the values of these voltages, okay, I have to just stop this terminal, and if I will change the value, suppose I am taking here 4 volts, okay, and again save this, then run, double click, I will get minus 5 volts. In this way we can easily calculate the value of output voltage through this operational amplifier as a summing amplifier. Okay, thank you.